All right, let's get straight into it. We're talking about how you can start making money with AI in 2026, and we're doing it with a 100% free, beginner-friendly guide. Seriously, no expensive courses, no fluff. This is all about a practical roadmap that you can actually use based on what's already working. So let's dive in. Okay, first things first, let's just blow up a huge myth right now. You know that old idea that you need a ton of money, a big team, or some fancy investor to start a business? Well, in 2026, that's just not true anymore. Not at all. All you really need is AI and your time. The whole game has changed. So let's break this down. The old way, that was all about finding funding, knowing how to code, having a whole team behind you. But the 2026 way, it's completely different. It runs on free tools you can get right now, knowing how to write a good prompt for an AI, and this is the big one, your own drive to just do it. AI has basically leveled the entire playing field. All those huge barriers that used to stop people, they're pretty much gone. And this leads to a really crucial shift in how you need to think about work. It's about moving from being the worker to being the orchestrator. Your job isn't to do all the grunt work yourself anymore. Nope. You're the director, the strategist, telling these incredibly powerful AI tools what to do. Think of yourself as the conductor of an orchestra, not the person playing every single instrument. Okay, so how does this actually make you money? Well, one of the smartest and most profitable ways for a beginner to start is something called service arbitrage. It sounds kind of fancy, but it's super simple. You find a service that businesses are already paying good money for. Then you use AI to deliver that same service way faster and cheaper than the old school way. And that difference in cost, that's your profit. You're basically using AI speed as your secret weapon. And this is what makes it a total game changer. You don't have to be a tech wizard or a coder. Seriously, the most important skill isn't knowing Python or JavaScript anymore. It's just English. Being able to clearly tell an AI what you want in plain language is the new superpower. As Solutions Review put it, English will be the hottest new programming language. So the only thing holding you back now is your own creativity, not your technical skills. All right, you've got the mindset down, but what about the actual tools? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. We're going to build your free starter stack, a complete, no-cost business engine you can set up literally today. And look, this is pretty much everything you need. For figuring out your strategy and finding those golden niches, you've got Gemini. For all your writing, we're talking emails, proposals, social media content, you've got Claude. To keep all your ideas and research in one place, like your own personal brain, there's Notebook LM. And from making things look good, like social media graphics, you've got Canvas AI. The amazing part is how they all work together. It's like having a whole company's worth of software for free. So now you have the tools. The next big question is, what do you do with them? Well, let's get practical. We're going to walk through 3 proven hustles. These are actual, actionable blueprints you can start building with this AI stack right now. First on the list is a really popular one right now, the faceless YouTube channel. This is absolutely perfect for anyone who hates the idea of being on camera. I mean, why would you when AI can do all the heavy lifting? It can write the scripts, create the voiceover, and even find or generate the video for you. You can literally run a whole portfolio of channels in profitable niches without anyone ever knowing who you are. And here's the recipe, step by step. Step 1, you ask Gemini to find you some hot topics in a niche you like, maybe something like tech explainers. Step 2, you take those ideas over to Claude and have it whip up an amazing script. Step 3, you use a free AI voice tool to turn that script into a super realistic voiceover. And finally, step 4, you plug it all into a text-to-video tool, and boom, you have a finished video. It's a full-on content factory, and it costs you nothing to run. Okay, hustle number 2 is the print-on-demand store. If you've got a creative side, this one's for you. The idea is simple. You use AI to create incredible, one-of-a-kind art. Then you put that art on things like t-shirts, mugs, posters, you name it. And here's the magic part. You don't have to buy a single thing up front. No inventory, no boxes in your garage. It's basically zero risk. And the process is just so smooth. You start by generating some cool art with something like Canvas AI. Then you get a free account with a service like Printful. These guys are the key because they handle everything. You just upload your designs, connect your Printful account to a marketplace like Etsy, and that's it. When someone orders one of your t-shirts, Printful prints it, packs it, and ships it directly to the customer. You don't touch a thing. You can even get AI to write killer, SEO-friendly product descriptions to make sure people find your stuff. All right, our third hustle is maybe the most powerful for building real long-term income, the AI-powered community. This is all about creating a paid group for people who share a specific interest. And the secret sauce is using AI to automate almost all the content. This means you can build a super valuable, engaging community without completely burning yourself out trying to create stuff 24/7. So how do you do it? Well, there's a great framework for this. First, you have to nail your niche. Get super specific. Use AI to find something like, I don't know, AI tools for real estate agents. The more specific, the better. Next, you set up your AI content engine. Basically, you have Claude generate all your daily posts, discussion questions, and content outlines. Then you just set up a simple community on a platform like School. And to get your first members, you just start sharing your journey and providing value on social media. Since AI is doing the content creation, you get to focus on what really matters, connecting with your members. Okay, so we've talked about the right mindset, we've gone over the free tools, and we've laid out 3 solid business ideas. But honestly, none of that means a thing without this one last piece. This is about your only real edge, your only true advantage in this new world. So think about this for a second. If everyone has access to these incredible AI tools for free, what's the one thing that separates the people who are actually making money from everyone else who's just thinking about it? What's the secret ingredient? It's not money. It's not some secret software. It's something way, way simpler. Execution. That's it. That's the whole secret. The simple, maybe even boring act of just doing the thing, day in, day out. It's about consistently applying what you know instead of just collecting more information. And this quote from AI Fire really hits it home. Thousands of people are going to watch this, they're going to read guides, they'll get all excited, and then do nothing. The only difference between you and them, the thing that will make you the one who actually succeeds, is your choice to take this information and go do something with it. So let's be crystal clear. In 2026, the gap between success and failure isn't about who has the most talent, the most money, or who was first. AI has made all of that way less important. The only real competitive advantage left on the table is your ability to just consistently take action. So look, you've got the tools, they're free, you've got the roadmap, it's proven. The only thing standing in your way now is, well, starting. So the real question isn't if you can do this. We know you can. The question is, what are you going to build